Here are the instructions of how to change your USB-C cable on your STM keyboard case. First, you'll need a new cable, a flathead screwdriver, and the original case that you need to replace the cable in. First, you're going to turn the case over and fold the stand out of the way like so. Take your flathead screwdriver in this small area here on the back plate. You're just going to put the screwdriver underneath, twist it a little bit, and then pry the plate off. And then right here, there's a black piece of tape. You just put your flathead screwdriver under there, remove that tape, put that tape to the side for later. We're going to take the flathead screwdriver just like so and lift up the cable. Then we're going to flip the case over to the inside. And now take the USB-C out. And then you'll see right in here, the cable actually threads along the bottom side of the case, underneath where the iPad is. We're going to take the flathead screwdriver and reach down under there and simply pry the cable out so that you can pull it out from the back of the case and then thread it back through where the USB-C is, just like that. And that's how you remove the cable. Now to insert the new cable, and basically do the same instructions in reverse. You're going to take the new cable, and right here there's the opening for the USB-C, and then there's a hole to the side of it. We're going to go through the hole to the side of it with this end. Thread it all the way through, and go ahead and just click the USB-C cable in its intended slot. And then this hole right here, we're now going to thread the cable through to the back of the case, all the way like this. And don't worry about this section, we'll come back to that. Now on the back of the case, first step is going to be to insert the male side of the plug into the female side. So you're going to take and align like this. You can use your flathead screwdriver just to make sure that it's plugged all the way in. And then as you're holding it, you can nest the cable just like that. Take your black tape, and this black tape you apply right over the top of those cables, just like that. Push it down, make sure it's nice and secure, and then you can thread the cable here all the way through this channel, and then there's another little slot right here for the cable to nest into the case. Press this all down. You can take the back protective cover, go ahead and snap that from right to left, and then just maybe rub your finger across to make sure it's all nicely tight. Open the inside of the case, and now take your finger and you can just nest the cable all the way along the bottom of the case, just like that. Close it up, and that's how you replace the USB-C cable on your STM keyboard case.